Assalamu alaikum ji. My name is Taimur Khan, and I got this PPF done on Silver Legender, which actually comes in black roof overseas, but not in Pakistan. जो कि black roof आनी चाहिए थी, लेकिन technically लेकिन उन्होंने नहीं दी. So I wanted to make a correct combination of Legender, which was silver with black. So I got this PPF done here, और it is जब मैंने करवाया है तो it is actually more elegant than before. The color came out very good. It is more shinier. The contrast of the black and silver looks very elegant now. You should check it out. And Sehgal Motors से मैंने पहले अपनी BJ40 कराई थी matte black में, and it was an outstanding job. They did. Or the good thing about Sehgal Motors is any concerns after you get it done, they always take care of it. They're very friendly. So I always recommend Sehgal Motors for the job. Anything you want, like PPF, paint protection, you know. And for expensive cars, it is worth it actually. कोई एक scratch पड़ जाए, कुछ ding पड़ जाए गाड़ी पे, you know, it costs you 100 or 200,000 rupees. So it might as well just get this done and take care of your car. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.